Hello there again today to further explain how to make the perfume oil cologne. Now, the perfume oil that is concentrated is added first, as you can see, and then we have the alcohol that we add to that. The amount of alcohol is already predetermined so that we can get, when it's finally on its last phase and mixed, we can get it through this very fine little pinhole. I don't know if you can see that, of atomizer. It's a fine mist atomizer, and it has to be able to come through this fine mist pinhole atomizer. Now, when you're making these at home and you have atomizers, I sell the pre-mixed cologne, but I'm showing you this. This is how you would measure, so you can cut it to fit. See? Now it's a good fit. I cut it at an angle, if you could see that. Well, now we put this in and we screw it on, and this is a refillable bottle. So when you order a bottle of this size from me, you can refill your bottle. I'm a wholesaler of the bulk size of cologne, and it will come in a plastic bottle like that, and you can refill. It has a spout, and you can refill whatever style bottle you want, and you can get your label made. But of course, I totally prefer you buying my Zeldas with the gold label. It's already redone. It's already there, and you can refill it for yourself. I have a customer that refills it for themselves, for years, and they really enjoy my musks. So we will close this video with saying that you can get this bottle on Amazon, Etsy, and eBay, a finished product, and I will show you the third thing that you do is you shake it up and see how nicely that blended. And this started out as a very thick oil, but with the alcohol in it, it is a nice finished oil, and it comes through the atomizer very nicely. And we do not, one thing that some people do, they get it home and they go, oh boy, that smells like an alcoholic drink. No, that is not what you're supposed to do, because yes, it will smell like alcohol. What you're supposed to do is to spray it on your hand, and then you're supposed to let it vaporize and let it meld to your body heat. And after about 10 minutes to a half an hour, you're giving it a fair chance to meld with your body heat. You could spray some in your hair, but you don't smell from the bottle. You give it a fair chance to meld with your body heat. And that's the end of my explanation. and I hope you enjoy it. And this is how they're made. So I'll put the links on the bottom again to remind you where you can get all of my different musks: Egyptian musk, Egyptian musk yellow, Egyptian musk red. This is the Egyptian musk red, and where you can purchase them. And you saw how they were made, and you can reuse this bottle. You can buy the refill on zeldasaromatics.com. Okay, thank you. Enjoy.